Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to find how much government collects from this tariff. So first thing we want to recognize is what is the world price? What would be the free market outcome? So the free market would be the supply from the rest of the world. And so the rest of the world can produce an unlimited amount for this country at 10, so $10. Okay, and if we were allowed to do free trade, the consumers in this country would buy 50. Okay, so follow that there. Tariff comes along and it's 10. This is 10 plus whatever the difference is. So the tariff in this case is 5. This is a $5 tariff. We need to multiply that by the number of imports. So you want to figure out the number of imports by looking at how many are the consumers buying, and then what's the difference between the domestic supply. So in free trade, the consumers would buy a total of 50, but follow this back to the suppliers. The domestic suppliers would supply 10. So that is a difference of 40. So that difference there is 40. That's where they come from the rest of the world. Now that the tariff has been imposed rather, we're at price of 15, and we've now only purchased 40 for this country, or the people in this country have purchased 40, but a few more of those are going to come from domestic supply. So follow this back to domestic supply. So now it's 20. So the imported amount is 20. So we're going to multiply the imported amount times the price of the tariff, and that's going to give us $100. Okay. Now I suppose we could ask, is this worth it? Well, you want to make sure if it could be worth it if you can overcome the deadweight loss and efficiency. So that would be calculating these two triangles here and offsetting whatever consumers couldn't buy of some other products.